Hi, I'm Pastor Sarah, aka Disorganized.Religion on TikTok, where I have a super successful account, and I'm here to share with you one of my secrets to creating viral content on TikTok. Today, I'm going to talk about engagement with the camera and the use of a teleprompter. I rarely see videos do well where people are reading off a page. So whatever you do, look right into that lens. I will say that making a video with dialogue makes this a lot easier. I only have to remember one line at a time, deliver it to the camera, and then the video cuts to another character. So I don't usually use a teleprompter for my TikTok videos, but I am using one for this video. If you have a long script, if you want to make sure that you say exactly the words that you wrote, you can download a teleprompter app like PromptSmart Pro. You can upload a text file and it'll move the text along as you read and record you on the camera. It's not perfect, and the recording quality is a little lower than when I just deliver the lines directly to the camera. And sometimes the app misses a line, but it's still a great tool to have in your arsenal. Come on over to TikTok and let me know how it goes. And be sure to like and subscribe our YouTube page and stay tuned for more tips.